नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम इस वीडियो में समुच्चय बोधक के बारे में सीखेंगे। समुच्चय बोधक का अर्थ है कंजंक्शन। जो शब्द दो शब्द या दो वाक्यों को जोड़ने का काम करता है उसे समुच्चय बोधक कहते हैं। The word which connects two word or two sentences is called समुच्चय बोधक, I mean conjunction। उदाहरण, भाई और बहन सिनेमा गए। भाई और बहन brothers and sister went to cinema. In this sentence, और is a conjunction. और it connects two word. उसने कहा कि मैं बेंगलुरु जाऊंगा। उसने कहा, he said, कि is a conjunction that he said that I will go to Bangalore. मैं बेंगलुरु जाऊंगा। जाऊंगा means will go. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, राम दशरथ के पुत्र थे और सीता जनक की पुत्री थी। राम was a son of Dashrath and Sita was the daughter of Janak. So in this sentence, और is a conjunction. It connects two sentences. So conjunction word will connect two word or two sentences, or one sentence and another sentence will be the part of the sentence. So that is called, the word is called समुच्चय बोधक। समुच्चय बोधक के भेद। समुच्चय भेदक के भेद दो भेद होते हैं। There are two types of समुच्चय बोधक conjunction, समानाधिकरण, व्यधिकरण। The first type is समानाधिकरण, second one is व्यधिकरण। So in this video we are going to see समानाधिकरण समुच्चय बोधक के दो भेद, two types of समानाधिकरण समुच्चय बोधक के बारे में देखेंगे इस वीडियो में। उदाहरण, समानाधिकरण समुच्चय बोधक। मेरा मित्र बहुत अच्छा है और ईमानदार है। My friend is very good and honest. वाक्य में उसके अंगों को जोड़ना। Here there will be two sentences. The second sentences will be related to first sentence. That is the part of the first sentence related to first sentence. The word will connect one main sentence and another sentence will be the part of the first sentence. मेरा मित्र बहुत अच्छा, my friend is very good, और ईमानदार है, and honest. The honest is related to first sentence. दर्शन वर्षा में भीगना चाहता है पर उसके पिताजी ने ना माना। Darshan likes to wet in rain but his father didn't allow. Here the second sentence is उसके पिताजी ने ना माना. This is second sentence. It's related to first sentence. It connects. There is a connection with the first sentence. So par is a conjunction. You can see the par. Par is a conjunction. In first word, first sentence, aur is a conjunction. Okay. So समानाधिकरण के चार भेद हैं. There are four types of समानाधिकरण. First one, samyojak. Samyojak. Samyojak, it will connect the sentence only. Aur means and. Tatha means also and. Evam means as well as. Va means and. भरत और लक्ष्मण राम के भाई थे. Bharat and Lakshman, both were brothers of Rama. So here, और is a conjunction. Narayan बड़ा है और मोहन छोटा है. Narayan is elder and Mohan is younger. और is a conjunction. महात्मा गांधी ने सत्य एवं अहिंसा दोनों का उपदेश दिया. महात्मा गांधी propagated the message of non-violence as well as truth. So evam means as well as. The second type is vibhajak. Vibhajak means there will be a option, this or that. For example, ya means or, va means or, athva or, kimva otherwise. Gopal या मोहन, गोपाल और मोहन. की means that. तुम उसे जानते हो कि नहीं. Sometimes or. So here in this sentence the meaning of that की is or. तुम उसे जानते हो कि नहीं. Do you know him or not? So here or. की means or. Or sometimes the meaning of that word is that. पिताजी ने कहा कि तुम अच्छी तरह पढ़ो. Pitaji means father. Father said that you study well. So here that ya. Okay, either or. The meaning is either or, this or that. या तो मैं यहाँ रहूँगी, either I will be here, या वहाँ चली जाऊँगी, or I will go there. So here या, beginning and middle. या. So या तो मैं यहाँ रहूँगी या वहाँ चली जाऊँगी. Okay, in this video we seen the two types of Samuchay Bodhak. Please understand of the words, write the meaning and sentences in your classwork note. Please understand well the meaning of the word and the sentences. You can see the content book and you can see more examples from your content book also. Please learn well, understand well. Dhanyavad.